Today I'm going to introduce a brand new, hassle-free method for making money with affiliate marketing. The best part? You don't even have to do the work yourself. With this innovative approach, everything is pretty much done for you. That means you can sit back, relax, and watch the money roll in. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step and show you exactly how it works. This method is unlike anything we've talked about before, and we'll be using some new tools to make it happen. So if you're ready to learn how to make money online with this game-changing method, make sure to watch this video all the way until the end. By the time you're finished, you'll have all the knowledge and tools you need to start earning the income you deserve. Let's get started. So, the first step to get started is to create an account on Tails Factory. Once you've done that, you can start using the AI tool to generate storybooks and illustrations. It's that simple. And the best part? It's completely free. As you can see, you can create storybooks in seconds and you can generate 3 different storybooks per account for completely free. This website gives us latest AI technology to bring your stories to life. You can generate storybooks with just one press of a button, complete with illustrations that will captivate your audience and keep them coming back for more. You can tell them, I want a story about a man that can run faster than Arrow. Whatever that might be, they're going to generate a full story with illustrations, with whatever you said. Stories not too long, but they're perfect for what we're going to be using. And I will show you exactly how to use these stories to make money. To get started, you'll need to make an account on this platform. Then, you can enter a topic or idea to create a story. For example, let's say we want to make a story about a man can run faster than Arrow. The AI-powered platform can then generate a unique story based on your prompt. These stories are created with a focus on children and are curated to be appropriate for kids. As the story is being generated, you'll see that the platform includes both illustrations and narration. These elements are all created automatically by the AI. Once the story is complete, you'll have a fully formed piece of content that you can use on another platform. The illustrations are generated by the AI and can look quite unique and interesting. The audio narration is also fully automated. Look, they have given nice story name. We have nothing to do, they provide everything for us. Overall, this platform is a great tool for generating engaging and unique stories quickly and easily. It's especially useful if you're creating content for children. To get started with Kitco, go to kid.co. Kitco is a tool that lets you create your own online store without needing to own any products. You can make money by promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your store. First, create an account on Kitco, then click on the plus icon to create a new store. It's that simple. I'm going to create a kit specifically designed for kids. I'll be including toy collection that are related to the stories I've been creating, so I can search for different products around the web. As an example, I can search for Arrow and it's going to show me different products that are available on Amazon. Even though the person is not officially signed up as an affiliate to Amazon, they can still earn a commission if someone buys the promoted products through their store. The store is operated by Kitco, who will sign up and pay out the commission. So now I can just add as many of these different products. I'm going to add this one. To help others find and buy the product in your online store, you should share the link that leads to it. You can copy this link and share it with others. If your store sells kids' toys, for example, you should share the link to the kids' toys section. To share your link with a wider audience, you can use a website called Vocal Media. It's a platform where people share stories, blogs, and articles that can be viewed by millions of people around the world. This platform is a place where people share stories. To create your own story, all you need to do is make an account and click on Create a Story. You can give it a title, copy previous title. Also copy and paste the AI-generated story into the space provided. Because this story is unique and original content that you can use as your own. Plus, you can download the pictures from the story to use in your own writing or on other social media platforms. Just save the ones you like by clicking Download. It's that easy. You can add sound to your story on local media by downloading audio files and attaching them. However, for now, I will leave the audio out. I will include a picture at the beginning to make it look nice. I will continue writing my story below. Then, I will add the AI-generated story and another image below that for the second part of my story. I will simply drag and drop the image and copy the last paragraph to complete the story. Once you have your full story with all the pictures, you want to encourage people to take action. For example, in my story on Kitco, I will say, click here to buy custom toys from this story, which will be in bold, and I will insert the link from Kitco. I will copy and paste it between these lines to make sure people notice it while they read. This can help you earn money through affiliate commissions. Now that I have a complete story, I can share it on Vocal, Media and other similar platforms. It can be seen by people from all over the world. This is how you can use free AI tools to earn money online as a beginner in 2023. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.